Hi everyone, this is a channel to learn and treat with herbal medicine. Please register for channels to regularly update the latest news. Arthritis pain in the joints, wrists is a disease that causes discomfort and pain for those who are unfortunate. Continuous pain limits the ability of the knuckles and wrists to handle objects. This article will help you understand the symptoms and causes of this joint disease, thereby helping you see who's the most appropriate treatment plan. What is wrist pain in wrist joint pain? Osteoarthritis in general, denoted OA. This is a phenomenon in which the cartilage between the joints is worn to the extent that the bone is rubbed together when there is no cushioned cartilage between. The excessive friction of the joints together leads to inflammation and pain, and the joints become stiff. Arthritis pain in the wrist and fingers is the most common position of arthritis in joints in the human body. Hand joint pain can also occur in the fingertips, dip joints between fingers, pip joints of wrists and thumbs. Osteoarthritis pain, wrists, though not a life-threatening disease, but this situation if prolonged will cause negative effects on daily life. Complications of osteoarthritis may occur as hand deformities, loss of motor function, muscle atrophy, and the most dangerous is permanent disability. Causes of finger joint pain and wrist inflammation. The cause of knuckle pain, endogenous wrist, is due to the aging of joints. The process of bone wear and tear occurs over a long period of time, causing chronic inflammation and joint pain in the wrist and fingers. In addition, the disease can also occur due to the effects of external forces directly affect the wrists, fingers. Factors that increase the risk of common finger and wrist arthritis. Genetics. When there are parents or grandparents in your family with a history of osteoarthritis, arthritis, U.S. hold, be careful because you also have a high risk of developing this disease. Age. Elderly people with very high rates of joint pain should protect bone and joint health carefully to limit the risk of hand arthritis. Sex. According to statistics, the number of women with wrist and finger joint pain is much higher than that of men. Workers, office workers, people with jobs who need to use their wrists and fingers regularly to carry or hit the computer for a long time are very susceptible to this disease. Injuries. Dangerous injuries in the area near the joints of hands are likely to cause arthritis of the wrists and fingers. Symptoms of arthritis and wrist pain. When the joints of your wrists, fingers are healthy, the cartilage at the end of the cushion allows you to perform activities more easily. When you have arthritis in your hands, wrists, fingers, these cartilage will degenerate and lead to joint pain, stiffness. Most patients in this case will experience inflammatory symptoms. Joint pain, wrist and finger, are accompanied by the following symptoms. Pain can occur at different levels in inflamed areas. The pain will increase if you move your hands. The grip force is weak or out of control of the grip of the fingers. Swelling and pain in the knuckles, swollen around the joint of wrist. Inflammation. The movements of the knuckles will be limited, less flexible. Joint pain often wakes up every morning. Treatment of arthritis of the wrist and fingers. There are many ways to treat arthritis in the hand today. Depending on the situation of each patient, it is recommended to use appropriate treatment. Treatment with Western medicine. When visiting a hospital and being diagnosed with arthritis by doctors, the doctor will usually prescribe prescription drugs to you. Some commonly used medicines for arthritis pain are analgesics, naproxen, ibuprofen. Anti-inflammatory drugs, indomethacin, diclofenac, oxycombs. Injectable corticosteroids, applied to some severe cases. Cure arthritis of wrist and finger joint pain with male medicine. The herbal remedies have the effect of reducing the inflammation of the finger joints and wrists very effectively and safely. Because it is extracted from natural medicinal plants, it not only does not adversely affect the health of patients but also improves the health of patients. Cure arthritis by scratching plants. Prepare materials: about 200 grams of plants to scratch and wash finely chopped. You can dry it or leave it fresh to use. Daily taking 10–16 grams to bring water to drink will quickly improve the inflammation of the arthritis of the hands. Medications from the leaves. Prepare about 250 grams of lettuce leaves, wash the leaves and wash them until they fade. Then bring that piece of leaflets up with clean water for about 30 minutes. Next, take the pot of medicine to filter the water and keep it warm and use it after dinner. Be aware of persistent use for about 20 days to see the treatment effect. Exercises to treat finger and wrist arthritis. Exercises to support the treatment of arthritis of the wrist and fingers are gentle to reduce pain and swelling caused by arthritis of the wrists and fingers. Finger flexing exercise. Do the following: bend all the size of your fingers, then straighten your fingers. This simple exercise, if repeated many times over about 10 minutes a day, will help you improve your joint health. Punching exercise. How to do it: grab your hand and make a fist and stretch it slowly. Attention should be taken slowly to reduce pain effectively. Finger touch exercises. Use your thumb to touch the other fingers. Perform persevering exercises, but if you stretch your fingers and feel pain, stop. Hi everyone.